Well, hello and welcome, as it says. I hope you've already watched the little introductory video. I apologize for its quality, and if for some reason it's not coming through, it's because something happened with my actual video. But hopefully, you had a chance to watch that to be able to put a face again to the voice that you're going to hear throughout the videos that you will see and be able to get your lessons from in this course. This is going to be Math 192, Calculus 2. It's going to be a completely online version. I wanted to just give you this quick little introductory video to show you kind of what you're going to be seeing in all of the lessons. All of the lessons, for the most part, as far as I can remember, have been done in Smart Notebook, which for me is just the most convenient way to present the lessons to you, because what it allows me to do is it allows me to draw things, underline things, do the math problems, whatever is necessary um, on this nice little convenient board here for you. Um, I'm gonna just do a real brief video here to kind of show you what it might look like. The only difference is all of the lessons that I give are going to already have um, worksheets assigned with them. In other words, you'll see it when you go to the lessons. You can print off the PDFs and then follow along and do all your work and take all your notes and everything on those worksheets, which is, I think, probably a really good way to go about doing these lessons to learn. The nice thing is, because all of these things are going to be posted on YouTube, which is how you're watching this, you can stop, pause, rewind, fast forward, 2 times speed, whatever you need to do to make it easier for you to learn. I will utilize an online version of your TI-84 calculator, which is the preferred calculator for the course. Should you use a different type of calculator, perfectly fine, as long as you know how to use it. I will most likely not know the syntax if it is something other than a TI. But what I can do is, say we're doing a problem, and I'm going to try and keep this video really short, like I said, just a few minutes here. Say we're doing a problem and we have to do y equals 5x plus 3x squared plus 2, and we have to do something with that in the calculator. This is not likely what we will be doing in class, but just to show you, I can bring up the calculator on the screen here, and then we can go through the steps. I would say, okay, we're going to go to the y equals, so I will push the y equals button, and I am hoping that you are already at least relatively proficient with your calculator. If not, that may be something that you have to ask me during a session. So then I would type in 5x plus 3x squared plus 2, and say we need to look at the graph. Then I will go to Zoom 6, which is your standard graph, and there you would have your parabola. We could do whatever we needed to do with that. Again, that's just to kind of show you what it is. Normally, I'll have a bunch of stuff written out. You'll follow along with the notes. We'll work out the problem, and it'll all be done like this. Again, just wanted to give you a quick little introduction. I hope you enjoy the course, and I hope that you get a lot out of it. I really tried to, excuse me, I really tried to simplify the way this online course is done. I really wanted to make this much more like you're doing this in person. You're hearing somebody's voice constantly, because I know how an online course can be. Um, you're taking notes just as if you were sitting in class. The only difference is you cannot physically ask me a question right then and there. You'd have to email me or set up a time to speak with me or something like that. But I don't want there to be a ton of 50 million things that you have to do. You have to get yourself on WebAssign, you have to take your notes, you have to do the WebAssigns, and you have to do the tests. That should be the most important stuff. All right, if you do have any questions, by all means, check out the Canvas course, look at the syllabus. My contact information is there. Contact me, and I wanted to keep this under 5 minutes, and I think we accomplished that. All right, hope you enjoy the course.